Well, fellas, I saved the best one for last here in Dakar, Senegal. I bought this from a reputable store. This is a French Bricard, a real one. This cost me about $26. Always wanted one of these, never had a chance. This one is a Dimple lock as well. And the reason I think it costs so much is this appears to be stainless steel, which is really difficult to machine, difficult to work with, so that would explain the cost. Clearly marked Bricard on both ends. It looks well executed. As I said, 6 pins, that also looks to be very well done. They're all equally set in terms of depth and lined up. Here's what the pinning looks like. So 6-pinner, works beautifully, as you would expect from a $26 lock. I don't imagine they sell too many of these here in Senegal, but it's nice to know that they do have a quality lock here. So I have never had one of these before, so let's get to it. Enough talk. I'm going to try to fit this. I don't know if I have the right depth here or not, but ideally I'm going to try to slide it right here. There we go. Because I want to squeeze in there and I don't want to pinch it on the side. I want to make sure I am tensioning the core so I don't waste any time. That feels about right. And I'm going to try to use a standard flag out of the Sauber kit. No curve on this. Alright, so let's start with light tension. We can always make it tighter later, but let's just see what happens with this thing. They have a reputation, I saw them on the internet, they have a reputation for a pretty good quality lock. Okay, I'm on pin 3, he's the binder. Okay, he clicked, I think he's set. I'm on 4. Okay, I got a little click out of him. 5 is springy. It was like 6 is springy as well. So let me start in the beginning again. So 1 seems like a binder. So if I can get on him, there we go. That's a little worrisome. He didn't give me any click. He went all the way to the bottom with no click, so might have overset him. We'll come back to him. Alright, one more time through, but I believe number 1 probably is overset. Because since I mashed him thoughtlessly all the way to the bottom, I was trying to force him, I got nothing going here. No, everyone else is either set or completely springy, so let's release the tension, admit failure early, and let's try this again. Okay, again I'm on pin 3, so at least that one was right. Okay, got a click out of him. Okay, 4, so that one was right. If I can get on him. Okay, I got a click out of him. And everybody else is back there is springy. Alright, let's start in the beginning. Okay, 1 is definitely the binder. This time I'll be a little more careful. Okay, that time it clicked about halfway down, so I overset him on the last time through. Pin 2 is set. 3 is set. 4 gave me a half of a click there. And feels like 6 is now the binder. And there we go. Got it open. All right, there you go, guys, a Bricard 6-pin. Now here's an important thing that some of you, I got about 6 emails in the last week asking about this. You notice I rotated this core, and this happens on all locks, and you can't get it back. It doesn't want to go anywhere. And so I get these panicked emails saying I've broken the lock, and in fact you haven't. If you look closely, you can see the driver pins have simply extended up into the keyway, and you haven't screwed up the lock. Just take a straight edge, a straight pick, or in this case a tension wrench, just shove it in there, push them back in their place, push them down, and then kind of rotate your core, and you can get your lock back to its locked position. Anyway, there you go, fellas, a Bricard 6-pin. Thank you very much for watching. Everybody stay safe, and from Dakar, Senegal, stay legal.